Okay, now it's time for the tuple to be explained. Okay, now actually as simple as that. The tuple is the same as the list, but this time the tuple is for read only. So the data inside it cannot be sorted, cannot be modified, and so on. Okay, so let's have a quick example. So tuple, okay, or tub equal, and the second difference, actually we don't use squared bracket this time, we use a brackets like these, and let's put a, b, and let's put c. Now print the top tup, and this time I want the index one, which is b. Okay, so let's print this out. Let's see if it is working or not. Clear the screen first, and yeah, you can see it is b. All right, so far so good. But this time if I type top 1 equal h, for example, or let's put h. Okay, now you can see that it will not work. By the way, if it is a list, it will work. Okay, because if it is a list, I can change any object inside the list using the index, okay, for that list, and then change any value you want. But this is because it is a tuple, it will not work. So let's check this out. Yeah, you can see the tuple object doesn't support item assignment. So which means that we cannot do that. And actually it has a lot of methods for tuple. You can read about them, just Google it, tuple methods for Python, and everything will be there. And as simple as that. Thanks for watching.